So you want to smoke a turkey and you want it to look like this, and you've got a barrel cooker. So who do you go to for advice? That's right, Pop Daddy.
Oh, Pop Daddy. You know, Pop Daddy's smoked turkey used to make me moist when he ate it. Only white man ever did that to me was Pop Daddy.
I would like to volunteer to take this old bird out of her misery.
Pitmaster T. Pitmaster T is the original barbecue content pioneer. He's been showing people how to do barbecue since 2007 on YouTube. And he's been cooking in a pit barrel cooker since 2011. He's showing you how to do ribs, chicken, and all sorts of stuff. So let's see what Pop Daddy has to say about making a showcase turkey in one of the easiest smokers out there. And don't worry, those Badger Barrel videos are coming soon. Today's equipment of choice is the PBX by Pit Barrel Cooker.
Nice. A couple of tips is one, never prepare your turkey unless Prince is somewhere in the background.
Actually, let's get a little bit more serious. That turkey has been dry brined in this stuff called Naturific turkey brine from my friend John Shepard. And I think it has a lot to do with the look of the bird in the end. Right here, this is one of the reasons, since the skin and everything is dry, it's one of the reasons why I'm rubbing everything with oil, also so that the rub that I am going to use is going to stick. I try to choose a rub that has low sugar because sugar is going to burn. You'll notice I'm not using any hooks. I'm using an accessory that you can purchase from Pit Barrel Cooker called the turkey hanger.
Okay, so
it's well worth the money.
You immediately start cooking once you dump the coals in there. And one more thing. That is, I'm going to put this right over those coals. Okay, so it's 5 minutes before 11. We're going to cook this to 155. It smells good right now. It is 12:06, so we're a little bit over an hour into the cook. As you can see, there's no white smoke. And I want to show you something else too. So this is my Guru. It's the fan's not hooked up, but I've got 4 temperature probes hooked up. And one of them I put on the bottom because I wanted to see, hey, what's the temperature of this thing when it's running on the bottom? Is it anywhere close enough to burn wood? So here are the temps. The pit temp is 278, and then the 2 internals, thigh and breast, are in the hundreds, and 89 is the temperature on the bottom, on the deck. So that should tell you how well this thing runs, and it's, like I said, it's almost 300 degrees inside. From time to time, I'll take this out and then we'll squirt it with apple juice. You want to see it? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we'll be back at the 2-hour mark. We're checking the internals all the way, and I'm going to pull this at 155.
Well, I wish there was something more magical I could say about it, but that's pretty much it, for real.